Make sentences with verbs. 100 plus English sentences. Like. Everybody likes him. Everybody likes him. Want. I want to help the helpless people. I want to help the helpless people. Read. I have been reading in this school for 5 years. I have been reading in this school for 5 years. Draw. She is drawing with a pen. She is drawing with a pen. Give. Mother gave me a beautiful gift. Mother gave me a beautiful gift. Quarrel. The two friends are quarreling between themselves. The two friends are quarreling between themselves. Set. The sun sets in the west. The sun sets in the west. Distribute. I distributed the gifts among the children. I distributed the gifts among the children. Come. She will come before evening. She will come before evening. Fly. Birds fly in the sky. Birds fly in the sky. Make. This cake was made by my mother. This cake was made by my mother. Cut. He cut the rope with a knife. He cut the rope with a knife. Stand. Stand up on the bench. Stand up on the bench. Go. My father will go to Delhi by train. My father will go to Delhi by train. Like. Do you like chocolate cake? Do you like chocolate cake? Learn. The boy is learning to drive. The boy is learning to drive. Swim. The boy is swimming in the river. The boy is swimming in the river. Love. Love animals and birds. Love animals and birds. Is. He is the son of an influential person. He is the son of an influential person. Keep. Keep your clothes in the almirah. Keep your clothes in the almirah. Like. Do you like the rain? Do you like the rain? Live. Do you live in Mumbai? Do you live in Mumbai? Return. When will you return home? When will you return home? Call. Call the police. Call the police. Write. The story was written by him. The story was written by him. Scold. Does he always scold the student? Does he always scold the student? Come. They come to the city daily by train. They come to the city daily by train. Sit. Why are you sitting here? Why are you sitting here? Finish. I will finish this story within this week. I will finish this story within this week. Die. He died of dengue. He died of dengue. Do. They do their work and go back to the village in the evening. They do their work and go back to the village in the evening. Make. The house is made of wood. The house is made of wood. Establish. This school was established by my grandfather. This school was established by my grandfather. Are. The vegetables are in the fridge. The vegetables are in the fridge. Meet. I am going to meet with my father. I am going to meet with my father. Bark. The dog will not bark. The dog will not bark. Go. Will you go with me? Will you go with me? Buy. I bought the cake from the shop. I bought the cake from the shop. Make. The doll was made by my mother. The doll was made by my mother. Love. Shreya loves to play the piano. Shreya loves to play the piano. Live. I have been living in this house for 6 months. I have been living in this house for 6 months. Try. Suraya was trying to write a story. Suraya was trying to write a story. Go. Akash is going to Darjeeling. Akash is going to Darjeeling. Take. I will take 2 days to read the story. I will take 2 days to read the story. Leave. He left the place with a broken heart. He left the place with a broken heart. Live. All animals live inside cages in a zoo. All animals live inside cages in a zoo. Play. Shomo loves to play in the water. Shomo loves to play in the water. Kill. Ravan was killed by Ram. Ravan was killed by Ram. Write. He was writing on the board with a chalk. He was writing on the board with a chalk. Is. This watch is for you. This watch is for you. Buy. I go to the market to buy milk. I go to the market to buy milk. Drive. Shubroto likes to drive car. Shubroto likes to drive car. Go. He goes for a walk in the park every morning. He goes for a walk in the park every morning. Pass. We were passing through a jungle. We were passing through a jungle. Listen. We went to the meeting to listen to the lecture. We went to the meeting to listen to the lecture. Smoke. Please don't smoke here. Please don't smoke here. Let. Let him eat. Let him eat. Go. I have to go now. I have to go now. Read. Govindo loves to read poetry. Govindo loves to read poetry. Ask. I asked them not to go to the deserted house. I asked them not to go to the deserted house. Decide. My father decided to go to Delhi. My father decided to go to Delhi. Sit. The monkey is sitting in the tree. The monkey is sitting in the tree. Cook. Do you know how to cook this? Do you know how to cook this? Have. I have no money. I have no money. Distribute. Narayan Babu distributed food among the poor. Narayan Babu distributed food among the poor. Was. He was a brave man. He was a brave man. Live. Antar lives in Kolkata. Antar lives in Kolkata. Go. We went inside a dark house. We went inside a dark house. Talk. Don't talk. Don't talk. Is. He is not a gentleman. He is not a gentleman. Live. They live in the village. They live in the village. Do. Why do you want to do this job? Why do you want to do this job? Begin. Rohit began to write. Rohit began to write. Eat. I like to eat fish. I like to eat fish. Repair. The driver is repairing the car. The driver is repairing the car. Do. She has done her work. She has done her work. Draw. The artist has drawn a picture. The artist has drawn a picture. Close. I closed the door. I closed the door. Go. The boy was going to school. The boy was going to school. Try. I was trying to solve the problem. I was trying to solve the problem. Come. Rajnikant came here yesterday. Rajnikant came here yesterday. Give. I shall give you a beautiful doll. I shall give you a beautiful doll. Wait. I shall be waiting for you at the station. I shall be waiting for you at the station. Write. I am writing an essay. I am writing an essay. Want. I want to know the result right now. I want to know the result right now. I want to fly like a bird. I want to fly like a bird. I want to go on an excursion with him. I want to go on an excursion with him. I want to visit the Taj Mahal. I want to visit the Taj Mahal. I want to go to the zoo. I want to go to the zoo. I want to make my parents happy. I want to make my parents happy. I do not want to talk to you. I do not want to talk to you. I want to do this work. I want to do this work. Who does not want to be happy? Who does not want to be happy? I want to read this book. I want to read this book. I want to learn swimming. I want to learn swimming. I want to go abroad for higher education. I want to go abroad for higher education. I want to be a teacher. I want to be a teacher. I want to build a big house. I want to build a big house. She wants to leave this job. She wants to leave this job. He wants to learn Spanish. He wants to learn Spanish. She wants to sing a song. She wants to sing a song. They want to play football. They want to play football. We want to help him. We want to help him. They don't want to go there. They don't want to go there.